Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! So as you can see, I do have my fingerprint set up. If I would lock the screen, I can use my middle finger to actually unlock it. But let's say I would have any kind of trouble with that fingerprint unlock. So what can I do to, well, improve this fingerprint sensor? First of all, you want to make sure that it's actually clean. And luckily for you, you can easily do that by just locking the screen, though it's not necessary. And you can just clean it like that using some sort of microfiber cloth, or, well, maybe not toilet paper, but basically anything that's used for cleaning, you should be able to use to clean this. And the same thing actually applies to your finger as well. If you have a dirty finger, if you have some sort of grease on it or anything else, then you will have trouble actually using the fingerprint sensor. Okay, but enough about the theoretical things, let's go into some practical. First of all, we can head into the settings, scroll down a little, and then enter security. After we have done that, we can go into Fingerprint Manager, but before we do that, we must input our current lock screen password. And here we have our Fingerprint Manager. As you can see, this is my middle finger. It's not named like anything really, it's just the middle finger. And a nice trick I've learned over the years of working here is the fact that we can just add another fingerprint, and even though I already have my middle finger registered, I can just register it again. Of course, this doesn't work on every single phone, but basically we can go through the process of registering a finger, even though it's the same finger. So now let's input some edges, and as you can see, we have another fingerprint, even though this one is the exact same as this one. Well, maybe the image is slightly different, but it doesn't matter, because now, thanks to the image being slightly different, we should now have more sensitive ability to unlock our phone using our finger, which is pretty cool. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.